Hello everyone, I am Aman Zehra. Today I am present the substitution in square planar complexes, a key topic in coordination chemistry. So, what is basically substitution? When one ligand in a complex is replaced by nucleophile group, so it is called substitution. Here are some features of square planar complexes. Its coordination number is 4. Geometry is square planar, shape, flat square, order of reaction is second order, depend on the both complex and incoming ligands. Its mechanism is associative SN2 type, means it is one-step mechanism. Incoming ligands attack first and then all one leaves. Involves in 5 coordination transition state. It is also known as transition state of square planar complexes. Square planar complexes are often found as metal 8 electrons in its d orbitals. In many examples, we notice here is a 8 electrons in pair. Such square planar complexes are also spin paired, it's diamagnetic, and almost all substitutions of square planar complexes follow the kinetic law, and association mechanism should expect it in these type of reactions. Consider the coordination number of square planar is slow as compared to the octahedral structures. Here are the general example of square planar complexes. We know that in square planar complexes, the metal is in the center with 4 ligands in a square shape. We only replace one of them by nucleophile. We explain it from these journal equation as Ml2x2 plus L, the solvent is our nucleophile. It gives us the product of MLLX plus L. Now let's look at the square planar complex of Ml2x2. Simply M is a central metal ligand like palladium plus 2. L is our ligand like NH3 plus, and X are our anionic ligands like Cl minus. Substitution happens at X site at anionic ligand. Here are some factors which affect on the rate of substitution. Role of entering group. Entering group means a ligand which attacked on central metal atom. Role of leaving group, nature of other ligands in complex, and effect of metal center. So here is a mechanism to understand the square planar complexes. First, the square planar complex follow association mechanism SN1 mechanism. This means it is two-step mechanism that incoming nucleophile attack to the central metal atom before ligands go out. In first step we have square planar complex attach 4 ligands with central metal atom. The entering group nucleophile is attacked on central metal atom. It is usually slow step, and we found square pyramidal geometry when an entering group is attached on central metal atom. After that, we found trigonal bipyramidal shape due to due to rearrangement of ligands in equatorial and axial positions. And after that we found a complex complex where leaving group is leaf. At the end we found square planar complex. In this case, intermediate is found when the new ligand Y approach the metal center. It is temporary state. This intermediate is more crowded and have square pyramidal and trigonal bipyramidal geometry. So Y replaced L and we get a new complex. Ma3Y is the product of new complex. So we have an energy diagram. MLXN plus Y is our reactants, and we notice that our reactants here has a high energy and it is converted into the transition state, intermediate state where two peaks are found in the mid of product and reactant. It is our intermediate. It is the temporary step for few seconds, and it is converted into the product, and our product energy is low than the reactant energy. Intermediate has low coordination number. So I include one other thing that that which transition state which is highly unstable, and it is formed as the some seconds and converted into the product, and our product energy is low, and the reactant energy is high because intermediates are unstable and highly reactive, so it has low coordination numbers. Here I explain trans effect of substitution of square planar complexes. It is described by Webnors in 1983 as trans-elimination of square planar complexes. It is based on the ligation of ligands. We explain ligation as a reactivity. So here is a series where decreasing of trans direction abilities of various ligands. Trans effect in the first CN2, CN has highly trans effect, and the last one, water molecule, has low trans effect. We notice that CLB CL CL trans effect is lower than BR. Here is a series of trans effect in the order to high trans effect order to low effects. These series are used in examples of trans effect of square planar complexes. So let's try some examples of square planar complexes. Here is an example of platinum 2 and 4 chloride ligands. We know that all positions are equivalent at a start. One Cl is replaced by NH3. NH3 is a weaker trans-directing ligand. No strong preference for Cl is replaced. Now another Cl is replaced by NH3. NH3 is weak trans effect. So in second step, NH3 may not go trans to the first. Now we know from series Cl is strongly trans effect as compared to NH3. So in second step, NH3 attached to the trans position of Cl, so the new complex is formed. Here are some examples. Here are some MCQs. Uh, which type of mechanism is commonly found for square planar complexes during ligand substitution? The answer is SN2. SN2 is SN2 is our our correct answer. What is the geometry of transition state in substitution of square planar complexes? The answer is trigonal bipyramidal. As we discussed in above examples, that the transition state is found as a trigonal bipyramidal. Thank you so much.